Let's see how you can generate more leads and sales through Instagram post. So here the idea is to ask your followers on Instagram to comment a specific keyword on your post. Here for an example, we're actually looking at some sort of Instagram account over here. So this person is actually a business coach. So here if you look at some of these posts over here, it has received tons and hundreds of comments over here. So each comment on this post or any post on Instagram is an opportunity for you to convert that particular comment as a lead. So here what happens is that when they actually comment specific keywords on your Instagram post, you can actually send automated DMs for them, and it is actually allowed by Instagram. So you won't need to actually worry about the Instagram actually blocking your account, something like that. So it's actually 100% allowed by Instagram as well, because Instagram actually thinks that when a particular person comments on your post, it is actually an interaction, and it actually allows you to send automated DMs for that person. So let's see how we can actually utilize this one over here. So here they actually have some sort of bio links as well. So instead of asking customers, so if you check most of these posts over here, not on this Instagram, just in common, they will simply ask the followers over there to visit the link in my bio, something like that, instead of actually providing them with the exact link they want. So if you click on this particular link, let's see what we see over here. So here they have access to 3 different links. So let's say I want to only join their Facebook group. So here I have to go to this particular person's profile, click on this link, and again I have to click on this link to go to the Facebook profile. And here this particular profile or the person cannot actually track whether I am actually clicking on these links, or who is the person actually clicking on some of that, or who is the person actually interested in joining their Facebook group. So instead, if they actually make a post on the Instagram, for example, this is some sort of success post they have actually shared. So by the way, if you would like to, so here within the post caption itself, if they say something like that, by the way, if you would like to join my Facebook group, just comment below as Facebook and I will send you the link, something like that. And here they might have seen even more comments right here, because they are also providing a call to action for their followers as well. So here they have received 320 comments already, but if they have already provided some sort of call to action over here within their post captions, they might have actually doubled their comments as well. So let's actually build an automation to promote the Facebook group over here. I'm in the analytics session. So first of all, we have to actually build a flow. So click on flows over here, and it will take you to the flow section right here. So let me say FB group promo. So another thing is that even before we actually share the link to this particular Facebook group, we can actually ask them for their email as well. From that, you can actually do email marketing later as well. So that's also another thing is that even if they actually joined your Facebook group, sometimes if Facebook actually change their algorithm, something like that, then the reach may be actually very low, and you might not be able to reach out them with your offers and those kind of things. But if you have already collected their email, then it's possible for you to send a simple email broadcast and reach out to them anytime you want. So here in this demo or an example, I want to actually first ask for their email, and also then only I am actually going to send them or provide them to join the Facebook group as well. So let's see how to build this one over here. So here I have already created the simple flow FB group promo. So here let's ask a question over here. Would you like to join my free Facebook group? So simple as that. Or you can actually start with hey there, something like that. So let's see what's the name of this particular group as well. And if they say yes, we can simply ask them for their email as well. So here if they say yes, simply move to the next step over here. Their Facebook group name is Small Business Growth, how to market, get sales and scale your business. So this is the group over here. So here you can even add the name of the group as well if you want. So here let me add the name as well within this particular free Facebook group, titled something like that. And if they say yes, let's ask them for their email address over here. So simply just get user data. Great. Can you please share your email address so that I can send you the link right away? So here we actually ask them to provide their email address for us to provide them the group link. So this is a kind of lead generation step over here where you actually collecting their email address instead of providing the group link right away. So here we're actually asking for the email. So once they provide the email, we can simply say awesome. And let me add a new text message block as well. Here you go. And here you can simply add any sort of emojis as well. And here you can simply add the group button as well, community, some of that. And here you can simply open the website and use the exact link over here to share that Facebook group link right here. Awesome. Here you go. So here we can actually disable the skip button as well. So if it is empty, the user will be forced to fill this field. So we can simply make this one as empty as well. So here we have actually created a very simple flow, providing them access to the Facebook group only after they provide the email address. So here you can also do one more thing as well. If you want to send the group link to the email, you can do that as well. So here what you have to do here is that you have to actually add an opt-in message as well. So here actions in the email, you have to enable set email opt-in over here. After that, if you actually create send email over here, it simply you can actually simply send the email over here. So here you have to connect your email channel as well. So if you go to settings over here, in settings, if you go to channels, here you have the option to connect your email over here. You can even connect other domain specific emails as well. We have the tutorial on how to connect it. So if you click on this particular link, it will take you directly to the tutorial about how to connect your email right here. So as you see here, those kind of things over here. So you have to have your email connected over here to send emails through the flow builder right here. So here for the email, Facebook group link is here. Let me use Cloud AI to generate a nice email for us. So here is this one. Suggest me a simple, short, friendly email to send the Facebook group link for them to join. Simple as that. So I just provide the prompt like this. Let's see if it actually generate the email over here. So simple as that, it's simply generated. Join our small business growth community. So here let's simply use the subject, pre-header, same thing, and headline. I don't need any headlines. So if you want, you can add any sort of images as well. So here it says a small business growth, how to market and sales. So if you want, you might add this as an image too. I don't want to do that at the moment. So here let's simply skip this one. Let's simply add the text over here. So here, hi there, I wanted to invite you to join the Facebook group. Hold on, okay, and support. Okay, simple as that. So let's simply add the same text over here, and here you can simply add a button too. So let's see where we have that button. So best regards, and you can simply add your name as well. So here, let me go back to the flow builder over here, and here you can duplicate like this, and here best regards, your name, and here you can add the button group link over here. So here the same group link, and here you can simply add join the community. Simple as that. So here what happens is that after they shared the emails, they will receive the link to join the Facebook community within the DM, and also they will receive an email too with this particular specific email we have just specified over here. So this is a very good thing to send emails, and also to send the particular group link in the DMs itself. So here another thing is that you can even track the interactions as well. So here, if they tap on this particular button, you can simply add a tag as well, saying like clicked FB group link, something like that. So let's add a tag, clicked FB group link. So if you go to the customer's profile, then you will actually see that particular tag as well. So that means they have actually clicked the FB. So that means they have actually clicked the FB group link as well. So we can track interactions over here, and based on that you can even send follow-up messages as well. So I'm not going to do that right now. So let's actually use this particular flow for the comment automation. So the flow name is FB group promo. So we have to actually go to tools over here. So in tools you have the option to create the Instagram comment automation. So click on it. So here in the Instagram comment automation, simply let's name this as FB group. So here, track comments on all posts. So that means if you're actually planning to promote this particular Facebook group on multiple posts or reels, then you can simply use this track comments on all posts, and here private reply to the comment. So what sort of private reply we are going to send? So this is the exact private reply we have just designed over here. So we want to select this one, FB group promo, right here. So let me simply choose the flow FB group promo, and what is the public reply you want to send. So public reply means Instagram comment reply. So let's say they're actually commenting on your Instagram post as Facebook, or let's say they're actually commenting as group, and you simply you can easily automatically send a public comment reply to their comment over there. So this will be sent as a DM. This will be actually posted as a public comment reply over here. So here you can actually mention like send you a DM. DM sent, please check your messages. Just two variations. So these are actually randomly added for each of the customers comments over there, and reply to all comments. So here, instead of reply to all comments, we want to actually send this particular messages only to the people who are actually interested in joining your Facebook group. So in this case, as I mentioned earlier, you can simply ask the particular customers to comment a specific keyword within your post caption itself, and only if they comment on that particular keyword, then only we are going to trigger the automation. Sometimes some other people will say congrats or something like that. They can simply post emojis like that. For that, you can actually manually respond to those comments as well. So we want to actually offer this particular automation or send this particular automated message only to the people who are actually interested in joining your Facebook group. So here for this one, reply to comments equal to, and only if they say group we want to reply. Otherwise we don't want to send any sort of automated messages through your Instagram on your Instagram post or comments over there. And here we have more options as well, so you can keep as it is. And here if you want to delay these messages, you can do that. So let's simply choose immediately over here and click save. So here, this is the automation we have just created. So let's make sure to activate this one over here. So we have just activated this automation as well. So we can quickly test this, how this actually works. I'm in Instagram. So if you remember, we have choose all post. So it simply works for any post over here. So let me simply open a random post right here. Let me open this one and comment here as a group. So let me comment as group and see what happens. Alright, I just added a comment over group, so I should actually receive a DM over here. So let me go to the DMs over here, and as you see here, hey there, would you like to join my free Facebook group titled this small business growth and how to market, get sales and scale your business? And if I tap yes, it's simply going to send me the next message asking to share my email address. So let me tap yes over here and see what happens. Great, can you please share your email address so that I can send you the link right away? So let me say my email address, this one, and see what happens. And it should say awesome, here you go, and it simply provide us the link to join the community. And I also should receive an email asking me to join the particular community as well. So as you see here, I have already received the email above. So let me first click on this button over here, join community, and it should actually take us directly to the Facebook group of that particular user over here. So it simply asks me to log in over here, so I'm not going to do that. So let me show the email we have just received from over here. So here this is the email we just received. Hi there, I wanted to share and the link to join the community. I look forward to having you as a part of our community. Best regards, and your name. So this is the exact email we have set up in the flow builder and we have received over here. So this is just a quick demo or an example of how to generate more leads from your Instagram post using a simple comment automation. If you have any questions, please let us know in the comments. Thank you.